I still think so. So do you think you're tough with opposing counsel, or do you think that you are stern but fair? Like,
I am great with opposing counsel.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
I am not a fighter. I'm not an illogical fighter.
Yeah.
Right? We're officers of the court. I don't want to fight you.
Yeah.
But if you cause me to fight you, I can never be a nasty person. I don't want to be a nasty person. I don't. So I always go in, and I'm the attorney that will literally call opposing counsel and say, hey, you know what? We never officially spoke on the phone. I want to introduce myself to you and da-da-da-da-da. That's what I do 9 times out of 10. Are all attorneys like that? No, they're not. They want to fight. And sometimes I fight, and then, my assistant would say, like, hey, come on, man. Like, don't let that person get you caught up in, because you do get caught up in the moment sometimes. Yeah, and I just know, okay, I just need to focus and move forward on my case. And if we have to go back and forth, let it be through email or whatever, but I'm not going to go with the nasty banter. Life is short. Maybe when I was younger, I would want to fight because I would want to feel like,
yeah.
But not anymore. I don't want to fight unnecessarily. Let me fight in the courtroom. If we can resolve this, if we can have a settlement in advance of court, which is what I try to do the majority of my cases, let's get this done, right? It's for the benefit of both parties, truly, when 2 people can come together and settle. But if opposing counsel is just nasty and want to fight, I just got to fight.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, I got to advocate for my client.
It's, it's interesting. What I notice is that there's a lot of the lead up, and it's usually either the younger lawyers or the lawyers that aren't the courtroom lawyers where the fight happens. They have a lot of fight. I stay out of the fight. Me for too. The 99%. I have a team of lawyers that handle a lot of the day-to-day stuff, and I try to tell them, listen, be very polite with opposing counsel. Don't fight. You want to have a good working relationship with whoever it is that you're going up against, but
because that's how we were raised when we went to law school, right? It was, you have to be cordial to opposing counsel. You want to be able to have a good rapport because things get resolved better if we can have adverse sentiments.
Sure.
But we don't have to be adverse.
Yeah. And plus listen, people don't realize it, but the life of a lawyer is it's a stressful job. You have people's lives in your hands. You're dealing with deadlines. I was just talking about this with someone else. There's deadlines. There are deadlines that you can be sued for malpractice if you miss. It's we're walking through landmines every single day. Judges can come after you, the defense attorney, your clients, and being able to manage it. You know what I mean? And be comfortable and move like water. I love being a personal injury. I love doing what I do. And trial practice, I don't need to go to trial all the time.
Right.
Now, if the other side's not willing to resolve the case fairly, well, then I'm ready to go. You know what I mean? If we have to go.